Today I am reviewing HiVi-Swans DIY 3-way passive bookshelf speakers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking to upgrade your home theater or audio setup with something that delivers professional-grade sound without spending a fortune, the HiVi-Swans DIY 3-way passive bookshelf speakers might just be your perfect choice. This is not just a pair of speakers. It's a complete audio experience designed for audiophiles, hobbyists, and anyone who wants deep, immersive sound. What sets these speakers apart is that they are a DIY kit built with high-end components. You're not just buying speakers. You're investing in a premium sound system that you assemble yourself, which allows for customization and personal satisfaction. The kit is engineered to deliver a true 3-way sound design, combining a powerful low-frequency woofer, a refined mid-range driver, and a crisp high-frequency ribbon tweeter. Starting with the build quality. These speakers are housed in a solid wood enclosure that is not only durable but also enhances acoustic performance. The design is elegant yet versatile, allowing you to finish them in any color you prefer, so they match your decor perfectly. This means your bookshelf or entertainment space doesn't just sound amazing, it looks amazing too. The heart of the speaker's performance lies in its drivers. The woofer is a 6.5-inch large-diameter mid-bass unit made from Kevlar fiber. Kevlar is a premium material known for its light weight and strength, allowing for extremely precise bass reproduction without distortion. This is paired with a fatigue-resistant long-stroke rubber diaphragm, which delivers deep, rich lows that make music and movies come alive. Whether it's the subtle bass of a jazz track or the booming explosions in a blockbuster movie, these speakers deliver with authority. The mid-range driver is equally impressive. It's a DN series soft dome mid-range unit coated with a special damping material that produces a sweet, natural, and smooth sound. This ensures that vocals are clear and instruments sound authentic. The independent dome design avoids frequency crossover issues, meaning there is no muddiness when switching between bass and treble. Every note comes through clean. For high frequencies, the HiVi-Swans DIY kit uses isodynamic ribbon tweeters, delivering ultra-high resolution and sparkling detail. Treble is crisp, clear, and delicately textured, which is perfect for both high-fidelity music playback and sharp movie audio effects. The combination of these drivers creates a balanced sound profile that covers lows, mids, and highs seamlessly. Another standout feature is the speaker's high-power handling capacity. With a peak power of 300 watts and a frequency response up to 20 kHz, these speakers are built to deliver detailed sound for a wide range of audio content, from music to movies to gaming. They work well as part of a surround sound setup, whether as rear or front speakers in a 5.1 or 7.1 home theater system, or even as high-quality stereo bookshelf speakers. Setup is straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic DIY assembly. Everything you need comes in the kit, and the process gives you control over how your speakers perform and look. Once assembled, these speakers stand as a testament to what you can achieve with quality components and craftsmanship. The HiVi-Swans DIY 3-way passive bookshelf speakers aren't just about sound. They are about giving you a full, immersive audio experience. Whether you are watching movies, listening to high-resolution music, or gaming, they deliver clarity, depth, and an emotional connection to your media that is hard to match. In summary, if you want an exceptional sound system that you can customize, assemble, and truly make your own, these speakers are worth every moment of effort. They bring together quality materials, thoughtful engineering, and a 3-way design to give you a professional-grade audio experience in your own home. If sound quality matters to you, the HiVi-Swans DIY speakers deliver in style and substance.